Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about exception handling in Python. Let's start our class. Exception handling in Python is a mechanism that allows you to handle errors gracefully without crashing the program. Catch and manage exception. Exception handling involves using the try, except, else and finally blocks to catch and manage exceptions. Try block. The try block contains the code that might throw an exception. If an exception occurs, the code inside the try block stops executing and jumps to the except block. Except block. The except block is where you handle the exception. You can specify different types of exceptions to handle them differently. Else block. The else block is optional and runs if no exception was raised in the try block. Finally block. The finally block is also optional and runs regardless of whether an exception occurred or not. It's typically used for cleanup actions. We'll see a Python program demonstrating exception handling.